Let this video be the reminder to not let anybody tell you that it's not possible to achieve every single goal that you have in your mind, in your heart, in your soul. There is a reason why God has put those goals inside of you. ठीक है? Every single thing that you desire, every single thing that comes out of your soul, your heart, that you want to have, can be achieved. The person who has, number of people who have climbed Mount Everest have the same number of limbs that you are having. डिफरेंस क्या है भाई उनमें और तुम में? डिफरेंस क्या है? गाइडेंस, resources, connection, belief. If you actually want something, na? If you actually want something, doesn't matter all the resistance and all the friction that you think comes along the way, it's all gonna disappear. It'll only act as a step. It'll only act as stairs for you to reach that goal. Let this video act as a mirror to your actual potential. अरे बहन चोदा, क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है भाई. Take that fucking shot. If you want to become the best bodybuilder in the world, it's possible. Now, see, technically it's not possible when you are starting your bodybuilding journey at the age of 40. But even if you are age 40 and if you want to build the best physique possible for yourself, you can have it, bro. Just within the time frame of 1 or 2 years, you can see huge difference. Fucking huge difference. मैं नहीं कह रहा कि you will become the best bodybuilder in the planet, in the history of bodybuilding. But if you actually want, and if you are passionate about it, if you believe that you can create something beautiful with your physique, then it is possible. And when people look at you, look at your physique, look at the body that you have built through blood, sweat and tears, through time and through effort, through will and through intention, it's something beautiful to look at. It's like an art. Bhai, don't let nobody tell you that you can't achieve anything. Have you seen that movie, The Pursuit of Happiness? विल स्मिथ होता है, उस विल स्मिथ का बेटा होता है जेडन स्मिथ. वहाँ पर एक सीन होता है where Will Smith and his son, they are casually playing basketball. तो his son says कि I'll become the best basketball player in the world, just casually. And his dad goes like, Will Smith goes like, no, you cannot, because it's not in our genetics, it's not in our DNA. You cannot do it. You can become the best at anything else, but not in basketball. उसके just बाद वो बोलता है कि don't let nobody tell you that you can't achieve anything. That line in and of itself is one of the most impactful line in the history of cinema. And it's true. It's actually true. If you believe in yourself with all your heart, then all the frictions and the resistance along the way just disappears. It just acts as stairs to reach that top of the mountain. Whatever you pursue, if you want to become a doctor, it's possible. If you want to become the best engineer in the world, it's possible. If you want to become the person who is the most articulate in a particular room or in any room that he enters in, it is possible. If you want to become president of a particular country, your country, it is possible. तुम क्या चाहते हो उसको define करो as specifically as possible and just go all in, guys. Don't let nobody tell you that it's not possible. It might be difficult. It might be difficult in the beginning, not because of the place that you are coming from, not because there is a lack of resources, or there is lack of money, or there is lack of connection. It's only and only because of the fact that you have been living in that low frequency, low vibrating frequency for a long period of time, and your new identity cannot, and you cannot identify yourself as this person who is having this new identity, the person who vibrates at a much higher frequency. ठीक है, because ये सोच के देखो कि 20 साल तक तुमको ये पहले जन्म से 20 साल की उम्र तक या 25 साल की उम्र तक, जितना भी उम्र है तुम्हारी, तब तक बोला गया होगा कि यार you come from a certain family background, you come from a certain society जहाँ पर people just do 9 to 5 jobs, जहाँ पर people handle their family businesses, जहाँ पर people, when boys grow up to become a man, they go to military, yeah, they go to certain profession, because in their bloodline or in their society people used to do that, just because of that. और तुम्हारे DNA में नहीं है, या फिर तुम्हारे ब्लड लाइन में किसी ने कोई आर्टिस्ट नहीं बना, या फिर तुम्हारे ब्लड लाइन में कोई बिजनेसमैन नहीं बना, such and such thing. I'm telling you guys, that's just old identity. Once you vibrate at a new frequency, once you truly believe in your heart that it is possible for you to achieve certain goal, then everything in this universe, one way or the other, just conspires to help you to achieve that. It might take longer, it might be difficult as compared to other people, and it might, you might have sleepless nights, you might have to work harder than other people, but it's possible, guys. I'm telling you, it's possible. Let this video be the reminder कि बहन चोद कुछ जो भी कर रहे हो ना, फुल कन्विक्शन के साथ करो, वरना करो ही नहीं बहन चोद, घर पे बैठो बस, जो माँ बाप बोल रहे वही करो. माँ बाप बोल रहे कि बच्चे पैदा करने करो, माँ बाप कह रहे कि पढ़ाई करने करो, MBA करना है करो, जॉब करना है करो, इंजीनियर बनो, डॉक्टर बनो, बहन चोद जो करना है करो. बट जब कर रहे हो ना कोई चीज़, जी जान लगा दो गाइज. यू जस्ट हैव वन लाइफ, बहन चोद एक ही तो ज़िंदगी है, उसमें भी साला टिपटो करोगे, उसमें भी बस गांड फटी की हालत में जीते रहोगे, तो व्हाट्स द पॉइंट, व्हाट्स द फकिंग पॉइंट. Man, so do something with your life, guys. All right, I'll see you in the next one.